Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, we had last week a competition called PWN2OWN, which is a competition where groups of security researchers or hackers, or whatever you want to call them, try to find security flaws in devices. And of course, it's an event that lasts several days. And, well, they actually got away with $1 million, more than $1 million in money for hacking different devices. So I'll share the links. You got the pages of the results for day 2, 3, and 4 of different devices. You want to see what's been pawned, what's been basically hacked into. So you'll have all the information about, like here, Sonos. There was Lexmark printers. There was all sorts of things. So all of this is listed here, including the awards that they've had for actually getting into the devices, which shows you how a lot of devices have security flaws that are, not that are unknown basically when you actually do it. And these groups are there for that. What happens from here? Well, all of these companies, so you've got day 2 results, day 3 results, and day 4 results. The Samsung Galaxy S23 got hacked quite a few times, so that's also an interesting one. So from now on, what happens is that now all of these security flaws are known, but they're kept secret. So, any hackers out there that were trying to find a way will not have details of what they did. But companies have 120 days to fix the flaws of their devices that were found in here. And if in 120 days nothing has been done to fix, well, they will disclose the flaw, which will be a bad thing. So companies usually will actually fix these security flaws. So all 3 days are going to be shared in the description below if you're curious to see what happened. And you've got, of course, the leaderboard of the different groups that have actually been doing some serious hacking here and getting into the devices, the prizes that they win, and so on. It's pretty cool. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.